The difference between an average layout and a professional one is usually the structure underneath it. Today, how to design modular collage layouts. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert multiple frames in a balanced grid arrangement while leaving slightly larger gaps between sections for breathing room. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting crops carefully for consistency. Select the background and apply a soft neutral tone or subtle gradient. Slightly enlarge one frame to create hierarchy while keeping the layout organized. Add thin geometric lines or small accents with reduced opacity to strengthen the modular structure. Use position tools like tidy up to align every